Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through the updated steps to change your Pinterest username using your mobile device. Whether you want to refresh your profile or rebrand, this process is quick and easy. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to change the username. Once the app is open, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap your profile picture again at the top of your profile page. This will bring up more options. Look for and tap on View Profile. Then select Edit Profile. Here, you'll see various fields related to your account details. Now, tap on the username field. Delete your current username and type in your new desired username. Keep in mind that the username must be unique, so if the one you want is already taken, try adding numbers or underscores to make it different. After entering your new username, simply save the changes by tapping the Save or Done button. Your Pinterest username will be updated immediately, and this change will also update your profile's URL. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Pinterest username on mobile with the latest app update. If you want to update your display name as well, you can do so in the same Edit Profile section by tapping on the Name field. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed Pinterest profile.